Listen to this song. Simple lyrics, zero editing, no post-processing. Just the raw AI-generated result.
Neon on the city shore, you hum the tune and I fall in. Hold me close and keep the
All of this was generated with MiniMax Music 3 using only 6 GB of VRAM, thanks to the latest WanGP update. Originally, MiniMax Music 3 required around 48 GB of VRAM to run. Now WanGP makes it possible to run it with just 6 GB of VRAM. You can generate music from lyrics, a description or both lyrics and a description, and create songs of up to 6 minutes with impressive Suno-quality results, all locally. In this video, I'll show you how to install WanGP from scratch step by step. And if you already have WanGP installed, don't worry. I'll also show you how to update it to the latest version and take advantage of the new MiniMax Music 3 support. By the end of the video, you'll be able to run MiniMax Music 3 with just 6 GB of VRAM. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit main page of WanGP. This is tool you all need to have install it keep bringing new updates with low VRAM which are impossible to use for normal users. To install WanGP you need at least 6 GB graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.10.11, FFmpeg, Visual Studio, Git for Windows. I have made a playlist you can watch and install these dependencies. If you already installed WanGP, to update go to main folder and type cmd in folder path to open new command window. Activate VenView created. Now type git init. Now type git pull that's it your WanGP is updated. Run WanGP with bat file you made. When you see local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch WanGP. If you haven't installed it yet, to install go to main page and click code option. Copy git code. Now go to folder or drive you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path to open a new command prompt window. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone this. Type cd and name of the folder cloned. Now you are inside cloned folder. Create venv using Python 3.10. Now activate venv with activation code. First thing you need to install is PyTorch. First make sure what version it is with this code. It is important you install matching PyTorch for 11.8. I have tested it work with many PyTorch versions. To install go to main PyTorch page and copy code matching your CUDA version. If you don't find matching code, just copy any code and paste in command window. CU126 is for CUDA 12.6 and 128B CUDA 12.8, and 118 is for CUDA 11.8. Also add Torch Audio before installing PyTorch. Once PyTorch installed inside main folder, there is requirements file. Open it. Change NumPy version if your CUDA Toolkit is 11.8 and remove extra writings, one of ONC's runtime and ONC's runtime GPY from list. There also Insight Face. Remove all other except 3.10 and save requirements file. Now run requirements code in command window to install requirements. Once requirements install, run the main code. If you see this error somehow NumPy is installed, press Ctrl+C and install this NumPy version. Now run main code again. This will install some models. When you see a local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch WanGP. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click Run File and use it. To use WanGP for MiniMax music, choose Music from option and MiniMax from sub-option. Type lyrics which you want to turn to music. You can also generate music from description, or from both lyrics and description. Choose duration. You can generate up to 6 minutes of song. Lower the step to have faster generation, but it will affect song quality. When you are done, click Generate. It will download models using it first time.
Neon on the city shore, you hum the tune and I fall in. Hold me close and keep the
And that's it. MiniMax Music 3 running with just 6 GB of VRAM, thanks to the latest WanGP update. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tools, tutorials, and local AI installations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.